this is what a reset for a GFI looks like. This is a reset switch. You can have 3 regular plugs for every 1 reset switch. So you have 1, this could be 2, because that has to be on a GFI, or 3 for every 1. So when you turn on a switch and you hear a pop, that means you tripped. Okay? So you got to come over, you got to make a decision. How much is your life worth? No, I'm just playing. Just figure out what's going on. Like it may trip if this is tripped. It's a surge protector. All it is just a first line of defense so nobody gets shot. So you have is that another reset? Yeah, there's another reset there. The plugs on that end will be GFI. Anywhere there's any wet area, laundry room, kitchen, your outside plugs, your garage plugs, your bathroom plugs are all GFI. Even though you don't see one of these, they have to be GFI. That is the one thing the main inspector looks for, is to make sure it's GFI. That's a safety issue. So let's say you're having a big party and everybody's about to get drunk, and you plug in a blender, okay, and the blender trips. There's 2 types of trips. There's a soft trip, which is this, which just means, hey, let's reset it and try another plug. And then there's what's called a hard trip. That trips, and it trips in the panel box. That means this just saved your life. Because 110 is more dangerous than 220. So if it hard trips, throw the appliance away. Because if it's a bad GFI plug, it's going to stop it here. But if it ever makes it to the panel, throw it away.
So if just the plug trips, that means it's just too
I would
much
try-
power. It's not the circuit. It's just
Well, that's why I say try another plug. Try something that's on a different, maybe run it to the laundry room because it wouldn't be on the same circuit. Then if it trips another GFI, you got a bad appliance. It could just be you run it over there and plug it in and it works, and then you send me an email, hey, we have a potential faulty plug. We send the electrician out to test it and find out what's going on. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you can't drop the hair dryer into the tub anymore. Take out the insurance policy. It's going to hard trip you. So just remember that. Just hard trip, and then we'll go over the panel box when we get there.
And a GFI plug is actually one of those things that in our world does go bad.
They have the potential, just like any other electrical item, it could be a bad GFI plug.
Right, but it does happen.
But it's just the first line of defense. So if it goes bad, you still have your breaker to do it. So it has the potential, just like any other electronic, to be bad. And if you purchased anything recently from Best Buy, you know that you probably have to go back 3 times to get one that works.
It goes defective sometimes because of electrical storms, because it's that sensitive.
And they are very sensitive.